Right, class. Let us solve this question on the board. It says the empirical formula of an oxide of nitrogen. Now, oxide of nitrogen containing 30.4%. Now, when we're talking about an oxide is a compound that contains what? Oxygen and any other element. But in this case, they said the oxide of nitrogen, so it contains what? Oxygen and nitrogen. Alright, so that's the oxide. So now, the percentage of nitrogen is 30.4, but the percentage of the oxygen is not known. So how do you get it? Now, to get the empirical formula, you first of all draw a little table, nitrogen, oxygen. So we know that the percentage of nitrogen is what? 30.4. Now, what will not be the percentage of oxygen? Now, percentage is 100, all right? So we're going to say 100 minus 30.4 to get the percentage of oxygen. And when we do that, we're going to get 69.6. So the percentage of oxygen in this oxide is 69.6. Now, first thing to do, divide both sides, divide by the mass of oxygen. All right, so the mass of oxygen and the mass of nitrogen, the molecular mass actually. So but then this is just N, not N2. All right, so right here like 14, and we'll divide here by what? 16. So by the time we do that, 30.4 divided by 14, we are going to have 2.17, and then 69.6 divided by 16, we're going to have 4.35. So at this junction, we divide both sides by the smallest number. So this guy is smaller than this, so divide both sides by what? 2.17, 2.17. So this divide this will give us 1, then 4.35 divided by 2.17. By the time we do that, we're going to get about 2.00. So therefore, the empirical formula becomes N1 is N, then O2. So the empirical formula, the answer becomes what? Option C. Option C becomes the answer. Please do like to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.